The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for the following counties. In Michigan: Cass, St. Joseph, and Kalamazoo counties. Until 3:30 a.m. EDT. At 2:55 a.m. EDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles away from Three Rivers, Michigan, near Constantine, Michigan, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado moving northeast at 55 miles per hour with DVD-size hail. Source: observed by trained storm spotters. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado-pick thunderstorm will be near Marcellus, Michigan at 3:15 a.m. EDT.